I have only one bit of not too deep advice, but very important, I think, and it's something that troubles me greatly. Past generations of Jewish scholars were very lucky in a way. They were born into a classical Jewish tradition. They were steeped in Bible and commentaries and Mishnah and Gemara and rabbinic literature. They had one greater or lesser knowledge of Hebrew and Aramaic, sometimes Arabic. Many of them, of course, were also born in multilingual societies, and they were multilingual. Many Eastern European Jews, Yiddish was mother tongue, Hebrew was very well known. They knew German, they knew Russian, they knew Polish, they knew other languages. And it served them very well, and they could create great works. Works that now usually are only created by staffs of many, many people. If you go into Jewish studies, any field, you must make sure that you have mastered, and I mean mastered, the necessary languages. It breaks my heart, and I know that this is not limited to Yiddish, but Yiddish is closest to me because Yiddish is my mother tongue, and because, as I say, I grew in an environment in which Yiddish was very much an integral element of modern Jewish identity. People who are engaged professionally in this field and do not master the language. And this is not the way. If you are serious in the field, the first thing you must do is immerse yourself. Anyway, academic courses, intensive programs, reading and reading and reading and never cease to read and so on. And to try to make use of the language. Whether one becomes a speaker or not, I cannot impose this. But to be able to have that unmediated connection to the material that you're working with, and not mediated by translation, not mediated by secondary, by an intermediary, and so on. This is essential for quality scholarship. And this is the first there is a radom for any real scholar.